I've taken a 4-inch MDF board and now I'm going to paint the background. The background basically I want is a little dark blue shade. So I've taken blue, a little white, black, and then mixed those colors together and painted the whole background. Next step will be division of the circle into 12 equal parts. Next step is to draw the square in the center for the letter Lum and the triangle which represents the grounding effect of the Muladhara or the root chakra. This chakra, the triangle, the reverse triangle is showing a grounding effect. So what I've done is after I've drawn the triangle, the letter Lum and the 4 petals which represent the root chakra, now I'm coloring the center portion with a yellow and the rest of the areas I'm going to take in shades of red and some parts I will do in white. Now the color of the chakra, that is the root chakra, is considered to be as red, and in meditation this particular chakra is said to be considered as the foundation or the grounding and the balancing chakra. This is the place where the body's vital energy is stored, and this energy is also called by many as the Kundalini chakra or the Kundalini energy. If your root chakra is balanced, you feel safe, secure, grounded, and you're very resilient and full of life energy. And if at all it becomes imbalanced, you face things like fear, anxiety, insecurity, powerlessness, greed, laziness. You may also face issues like lower back pain, digestive problems, and so on. With this dot mandala, we are drawing this particular root chakra. And 2 types we are considering. In the second type, we are going to paint the entire background with acrylic colors in yellow. Draw the same process like we'll divide the circle now in 12 equal parts. Take the center portion, draw the letter Lum, and draw the 4 petals at the side of the square. And now we are going to fill in with the dot mandala tools, and we are going to put the dots, different shades of red. We'll take some white also and complete the mandala art. Lam. This is the sound which is considered to resonate with the root chakra or the Muladhara Chakra. If you're facing issues in your life like any kind of fear, anxiety, insecurity, if you feel powerless in situations, you're confused, you find that there is laziness in your life, you have lower back pain, you have digestive issues, then yes, your root chakra is imbalanced. You need to work on this core root, the foundation of our being. These are considered to be as our energy centers in the body. In meditation, these are activated in the format of Kundalini awakening. For the purpose of our day-to-day life, root chakra balancing is like a grounding effect. It's like feeling connected to your life force, to your life, to your situation. So if you have a focus on the root chakra balancing, you will feel more safe, secure, grounded, resilient, and full of life energy. So what to do then? In this case, you need to focus on color red. So red is considered to be as the root chakra's color. Plus are various repetitions of words which can help you to enhance the root chakra energy. In the next dot mandala, we will draw the second chakra, which is the Swadhisthana chakra.